Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hello, moms and dads. Today we're going to talk about Pediasure, a very popular nutritional supplement that could be a great ally in your child's diet. Let's begin. First of all, what exactly is Pediasure? It is a nutritional shake designed to help children who need an extra boost in their diet. Whether they are picky eaters or have specific health conditions, Pediasure helps fill those nutritional gaps. When might your child need Pediasure? It is usually recommended for children who are not growing at a normal rate or who are falling behind in their nutritional needs. It is also a great help for children who are recovering from illnesses, as it provides them with the necessary nutrients to recover faster. But how does Pediasure work? It is packed with 27 vitamins and minerals, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all essential for growth and development. This balanced blend helps stimulate appetite, muscle growth, and even brain development. Let's move on to the dosage and how to take it. It is essential to follow the recommendations, which usually start with an initial dose and then adjust according to your child's needs and responses. Be sure to shake the bottle well and serve it cold. Kids love it that way. However, not everything is perfect. Like any supplement, Pediasure can have side effects, such as nausea or constipation. It is important to watch your child for any adverse reactions and consult with their pediatrician. In short, although Pediasure can be a valuable part of your child's nutrition, it is essential to use it wisely and under medical supervision. Remember to always consider it as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for listening. Remember that every child is unique, so what works for one may not work for another. Stay informed, and I wish you all the best in your adventure as a parent.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.